Happy Valentine's Day from the Automatic Trade Desk. It is Monday, February 14th, 2022. We're trading the opening range this morning, which means coinciding with the opening of the American stock market, we are trading in the futures market. We're trading the NQ today, and let's take a look at our trade. You can see we're slightly down here. We are trading 5 contracts today on the NQ, as you can see. We're currently short, and we're down on that trade. Looks like about ready to stop out. So price has been moving very fast. There's our stop. So now we're down 1 trade. And let's take a look at the trades that we've been taking so far. Once again, we're only 5 minutes into the trade here. And we've taken 1, 2, 3, 4, and we just hit a target while I was talking there. 5. Okay, so you can see how fast it's been going. Look at the timeline down here is recording in seconds because I'm on range bars, okay? Every bar here that represents price is the exact same number of ticks, so I'm on a range bar. So the bars have nothing to do with time at all, and you can see they're printing very fast. I'm going to get over here back to where current price is. This is where we are right now. So let's take a look at the daily candlestick just for reference on the NQ. This is a daily chart, and I'll stretch her out a little bit more so we can see what's going on here. Here's the daily chart. As you can see, we started in a downtrend and bucked that a little bit on the rotation, and now we're currently in floating around where this trend line used to exist. And technically, of course, this trend line now belongs somewhere else, so we're just going to move it, and this is actually where it belongs at this point, to be more technical about it, right there. Okay, so those are our trend lines. We're currently in a downtrend, and but the market could go up or down today. All right, so that's kind of where we're at on the daily NQ here on Monday, Valentine's Day, February 14th. And we'll check back on this trade a little bit later. Checking in on this trade, you can see we've been bouncing around. We've been negative, we've been positive, and we're just not hitting either the target or the stop at the moment. So a lot of sideways action here, and we're just waiting for a little bit of kind of a breakout. Technically, we don't know whether we're going to go up or down. Nobody ever does, but we're automatic trading today. So these trades are all automatic. Our entries, our management, everything. It does not require, in fact, it doesn't require me to touch anything. In fact, it requires me to not touch anything. So your job as an automatic trader is not to interfere with the automation at all. So amazing trading. You're seeing it right before your eyes. This is our current trade. We have 5 contracts on the NQ, and we'll check on it a little later. Okay, here we are reaching up towards our target again. You can see our target is right above here. We just hit it. So we have a closed P&L of 2,220, and we just took another trade, and we're in a long. So hoping the market goes up, and or if it goes down, it'll hit our stop. So fast moving market. You can see this can happen at any time, and look at the we're actually printing bars in seconds here down here. So we're on range bars. That's why they're not time based at all. And so here in look at this, in about 8 seconds here we printed maybe 12 bars. So maybe we're printing a bar a second here, something roughly that. So if we are, it's like trading second bars here. So that's what we're doing with automatic trading this morning. And by the way, automatic trading is fast, much faster than you could trade discretionary. So with automatic trading, you do not have to be pushing any buttons or doing anything, and it does it for you. So it's all programmed ahead of time because you programmed it. This kind of automatic trading is actually programmed by the trader. You don't need to know any code, and it's all done through a trading console. So amazing automatic trading, and we see it right before our eyes today, taking another great day of trading the opening range, okay? The opening range is usually the first 15 minutes of the market, and you can see we have about 3 minutes left of that. So taking a look, referencing this clock right here, 6:45, so about 2.5 minutes now. And we'll check on this trade a little bit later. Okay, checking back in, you can see we're up 45.95, and we're trying to reach $10,000 today. So we've been in this trade now, bringing the clock back in. We got in at 6:30. Now it's 6:51. So about 21 minutes. We've made about 4,500 bucks, and we're in an open P&L, which is currently positive, but that could change at any moment. So until it's in closed P&L, we don't know what's going to happen. Currently sort of stretching towards our target up above, 5 contracts long on the NQ, and we'll just have to see how that goes. It could well, it did hit our target. So here's a great example of automatic trading when it starts really going for you, right? We were kind of winning and losing, but look at here. Bam, 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 3 winning trades in a row. Now we're up over $7,000, and that's in less than 22 minutes. So this is amazing trading, amazing fast markets, amazing automatic trading. We'll check back on this a little later. Like I said, there's a lot of the day to go. We've only been in for 21 minutes, and we are seeking to reach $10,000 with this strategy today. And we will check on it in a little bit. Okay, coming back in, taking a little peek. As you can see, we just got into another short here. And our current P&L, 95.05 for 5 contracts. Very respectable. I said earlier we were going for 10,000. That would have been if we had 4 contracts on. Actually, we have 5 today. We bumped it to 5, so we're going for 12,500. We're currently at 95.05. We've been trading now about 32 minutes, and 32 minutes, this is the result so far, and we'll check on it a little later. Currently in an open P&L that's printing against us, so probably be a stop out there. So we'll see how this goes and check back in again. Okay. Here we are again, the automatic trade desk wrapping this day up, trading the opening range this morning. As you can see right here, we just hit our target for the day, 12,415. We had a little slippage, but that's fine. And take a look at how we ended up. We took, I can see right here, we took a couple of longs and then finished off with a short right there for the rest of it. But take a look. I'm scrolling back on these trades. Loser. Well, let's go through to the beginning because there were a number of trades, and we started bang 6:30 a.m. Boomerooski. Automatic trading went long. Okay. 5 contracts on the NQ, the future of the NASDAQ, mini future of the NASDAQ, prints $5 a tick. These trades are 100 ticks apiece. So there's a good trade, a bad trade, a bad trade, a good trade, a bad trade, a good trade, a good trade, and a bad trade, a good trade, a bad trade, good trade, bad trade, good trade, bad trade, good trade, and boom, the final trade right there. Automatic trading. And all this happened in the course under an hour. Actually, 42 minutes. So in 42 minutes this morning, February 14th, happy Valentine's Day. This is the result with automatic trading on 5 contracts on the NQ, $12,415. Daily limit reach, trading stop, max profit, amazing trading, and all automatic. So the results speak for themselves.